So after the first 2 rounds where we're just dealing with size, with just position, then size and weight and width, now we're going to add for emotion. So the first part will be to make the design warmer from the default Roboto. And I'm thinking through, I was trying to find a typeface from Aerotype to think through, but I was like, you know what? We're going to use Comic Sans. We're going to make this work. And with some other supporting typefaces as well, like Omnis, for example, or Quicksand, a typeface that I designed as well. So I think that one of the main ideas of this workshop is the idea that any font, no matter its notorious nature, like Comic Sans, can work when we're trying to achieve kind of emotional resonance in our composition and layouts with typography. And I'm thinking through ideas of how the geometric bar shapes can be rendered in a way that's emotive, like we saw here. I'm thinking of motifs and things that are associated, like highlighters, for example, and how it's associated with color. I'm playing with texture, ideas of like kind of basically overlap of strokes and docking, or kind of like ink kind of bleeding through. And I'm trying to, and this is what I got so far.